Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to work on variation and we are going to work on direct proportion. In direct proportion, we are comparing the quantities in such a way when one quantity increase, the other quantity also increase. The vice versa also is true. When one quantity decrease, the other quantity also decrease. Let us see the real example. Let's say I go to buy a pen. I buy two pens, and these 2 pens, it costs Tanzanian shillings 400. If I buy 3 pens, it cost me Tanzanian shillings 600. If I buy 4 pens, it cost me Tanzanian shillings 800. As you can see, if I increase the number of pen, the cost of buying these pens also increases. This is example of direct proportional variation. Now let us see our question. It says, if y varies directly as x and x is equal to 15, when y is equal to 4, find the value of y when x is equal to 12. So let's do the solution. They say y, it varies direct to x. Next, we need to remove this proportional sign and introduce the constant k, that is y is equal to k multiplied by x. I'm going to make k the subject, that is y is equal to kx. I'm going to divide by x. I'm going to divide by x by x1 by x1. We get k, that is constant, is equal to y over x. Since k is constant, now k is equal to y1 over x1. This is equal to y2 over x2. Our question says y varies directly as x and x is equal to 15 when y is equal to 4. So x1, this is equal to 15, and y1, this is equal to 4. They say find the value of y, so we need y2. y2 is equal to what when x2 is equal to 12? From our equation, we say k is equal to y1 over x1. This is equal to y2 over x2. So y1 over x1, this is equal to y2 over x2. We need y2, so we are going to make subject y2. We'll cross and multiply x1 y2. This is equal to y1 x2. I'm going to divide by x1 both sides. By x1, 1. By x1, I get 1. y2, this is equal to y1 x2 divided by x1. this is y2 is equal to, I'm going to substitute the value of y1, which is equal to 4, multiplied by x2, which is equal to 12, divided by x1, which is equal to 15. Here we can simplify by 3. By 3, it is 5. By 3, 4. 4 times 4, this is equal to 16 over 5. So value of y2, this is equal to 16 over 5. I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.